let's talk about the big rebuke from the Supreme Court that Patanjali got today. It was a day full of supreme rebuke for Patanjali. It's MD Acharya Balkrishna and Yog Guru Baba Ramdev who appeared in person in the Supreme Court today. Now, the top court rapped Patanjali for its casual apology in the misleading ads case and rejected it by calling it a mere lip service. The Supreme Court also instructed the company to treat the contempt petition against it with gravity. It also slammed Patanjali for persisting in publishing advertisements despite prior warnings by various courts. Now, despite Patanjali claiming that its media department was unaware of the order, the court made it very clear that Patanjali's act was an act of absolute defiance. It also said that every order passed by courts across the country have to be respected and that there's a need to take contempt cases to a logical conclusion. There was some rebuke for the centre as well in this. The Apex Court questioned the centre over its inaction against Patanjali's misleading ads. It noted that the Ayush Ministry should have been more proactive in clarifying that Patanjali's products were at best a supplement to the main medicine and that doing away with the allopathic treatment during that critical COVID period was not right. The Supreme Court explicitly said that the centre did not make the people aware of it that time. Seeking a reply from the centre, the top court said that the ministry did not publicize this at all.
Dramatic hearing in Supreme Court as far as the Patanjali contempt case is concerned, and Supreme Court very clearly told in a one-to-one interaction with Baba Ramdev that howsoever high you are, law is above you, majesty of the law is above all. Very, very clear message coming in from the Supreme Court that which took very serious view of the fact that Patanjali had flouted the undertaking given to the Supreme Court on November 21st last year that it will not anymore publish misleading advertisements claiming magical cure to several diseases like diabetes, obesity, asthma, blood pressure, cancer, and not only temporary cure. The Supreme Court took very serious view of the fact that it was claiming that it will eradicate all such diseases. Not only that, it was also running down the allopathic parallel stream of chemical medicines, which is called the modern medicines. Supreme Court said very well, you can advertise your products, but how can you run down the other mode of medicines? That cannot be done, and took very serious view of the fact that despite a clear Supreme Court restraint order on November 21st last year, it continued to publish such advertisements and questioned how the media wing and the department which issued the advertisements was ignorant of the fact that Supreme Court had issued a restraint order.